Mama wakwaba aha GCN page so meeting the Addo search and any day the kanya with the me mesro na wa subscribe to my channel. We are now doing sa emia bell on so ube ya notification and this an new said betun ya ubenye biati and I say ubenye bi ahwe ewo GCN page ha Marie amwakwabu edu na okase na ne nsem okan na ne se ene wenye ndo ho na and the Ghana for omo eya His Excellency Nana Addo Danko Akufo-Addo say oye criminal na membu no enkoyie Nana Addo aye sen Nana Addo aye sen na ono Marie Buedu no wadi atum say oka ho. She's part of the reason why in Ghana for when they omo di His Excellency Nana Addo Danko Akufo-Addo atemino nende or the apacho aba so when you know because or try senka oko NDC party na wakoboa party no titiri pa ene omanpani dada John Dramani Mahama because of papa na sem ope na membu ena ha papa na esi eye ne nioma inti na 2020 o campaign e de emano no na nde kame akoye se NDC fo no mo mfa ne nyehwe ade bi nko yie no okakra no mu buafu bibi ekochew na so oten ne kra no mu buafu enti ende ade or sanso aba back to NPP because ode nyakura wa wo dia ena kuntu wo ho enso no ehwan ya ni nchia na ekọ nti Marie etrese ende opa NPP na any reasons no ebi ene say eye NDC new elected general secretary eye Ura Fifi Kwete wabeka assembly a ono Marie no odwen ho akwantiase because ye ka say NPP for omotai eye tribal politics and Ghana for e dey attack NPP for so omo pe tribal politics ye and na NDC for mo se mo mpe ba wo Fifi Kwete ukojina ho NDC mon stronghold voter region e ko ka kire omo se omo nsom NDC party no and he NDC party mo fa yete say you know bosom no mo nsom na na dwo awie nwumbili mo nto aba ne NDC party na de a na Marie e kire say ene wo Fifi Kwete kura no de mo ka say NPP form ya enye no the same thing na wonne na nsenya wo beyi wo se bedi NPP party NDC party na nimi de wo ba beye ni tribal politics na won so wo de ba oh na Marie e kire say ye kan sa de a ene senko no so ya kan ni ene ko beka cha kanfo nyina so mo nso nto aba no enfema NPP amayoku no nti de na nsen NDC fo mo yo mo niam bi o mo ye no ense de ntwa yie entwa tew entwa ba odwen ho awonte ase nti one de se ne o mo kananado na sem nanado na wa ye se na mambu ni nkoye dade ade ni na no wa hwa tena se ehu se oka ho ena nanado ende Ghana fo etwe na basa ne sere o mo ye no nti o de ase and sorry apacho ama NPP party no afi waba back to NPP inti monje no yenti enzema Marie nankasa ede etudwe
Sebio no matter how bad the MPP is I don't know if avikwete kachire amono no matter how bad MPP has become today me meka ho bi enenne sebe president Akufo-Addo abaye ne ho kire no meka ho bi enenne nipa tumi frɛ president Akufo-Addo se oye criminal meka ho bi enenne adapa NDC MPP fo agi nyina meka ho bi enti if ene MPP ho kire wom if ene the image of the MPP no akofom if ene MPP enya negative label and a tag on them, it will take me and Kasana me be the necessary evil. No, it will take me to go back home to support the MPP to revive the image of the MPP so that we can move Ghana forward. Because trust me, the NDC for from media mehu kakra me observe you know. I don't think the NDC are ready to take over the country. You see, for me, you know, the long and short of it is that, to me, you know, to the best of my ability, I did everything I could to support the NDC. But I'm not seeing any seriousness be coming from the NDC. And the Chamia war finally, Kurano, yes, our tribal comments, because I thought to myself, yeah, you know, I bet me a tribalistic. Yeah, you know, your tribal tendencies were you. Now, why must I come and support you, a Voltairean, compulsory by force? Na miminja akanofo no wo ho. Now the one you are going around telling Voltarians obi am free all the regions emra. Na say the me so make me akọ catch me nua no akanofo say mo so obi am free region me amra me say yenkoto aba ma MPP. Enti me dwene ade no ho na me say no, adwuma na ya no. This guy's comments, these comments defeats the whole objective of all the adwuma na ya no. He's thrown it back in our faces and I'm not prepared to spend any more energy on these people. I think I've done my best. I've said enough. I've done enough. Now, so you're just going to shove it back in our faces like that there. Then, so for me, the long and short of it is that the propaganda, the incompetence, that territorial, tribal thing, it just wasn't sitting well with my spirit. And then, I thought to myself, look, well, this year, don't allow yourself, Marie. Do not allow yourself. Do not allow yourself. Enough. You've been through a lot on this social media by virtue of your association with NDC. My husband, I've prayed about it. I've thought long about it. I meditated on it. I did everything. And I thought to myself, you know what? There's a place called home. I'm going back home. But then there be a meka sembi say asemo ba Ghana for empe asema ye fifi mu edu echire apply critical thinking. No. A son say a political party. We know he's a thief, but he's a thief. Intene ya fanasa. Metina say me dream Kusi Boateng, Reverend Kusi Boateng asemi okuje todi abe. Me dream one me who say no. This guy, they are up to something. There's an ulterior motive. The ulterior motive, then they say, Womu suro Dr. Bawumia. Therefore, yen picky on Obia or bear Dr. Bawumia, ne yen starting from from that angle. Now, me sure could the to black why you're Voltarian. You're Voltarian. So I'm asking myself, is there some kululu, some connivance be going on? Is that the angle? I'm person modi any free bana. So then, I go on to ask another question, say, mo message pa anything. Because here was 2023. Government opposition sebe obi to opposition. Say no kwariam pass when near brace wo ba. By this time, kawu chapters what abrochire nyina ko wo set up, particularly UK chapter. UK chapter. By this time ke jinemu dindin robust. Ni nyina nkonkoda nche no. Yen shede hu asat now 2023. Message titu bia NDC wa catch the Ghana for say and say Debbie. Oh, na no krambe to nkra de masa mi jemfisa mo bekaya. Emma mo UK so-called communicator be free wa ha fan say bebre e the next thing I knew women's organizer is calling me asking me say yes me ma undermine say mi jemfi. By the time I may explain assembly to women organizer we na mbisa and say mami mbisa o question. Now per their manner rate actually we have I undermined say mi jemfi. Or say men fee wom obi afrem ya now I know what to tell them. Echire sami jemfi na nkasa frame ye di sa asem we hu nkomo. So you see, for me, the long and short of it is that to me, to the best of my ability, I did everything I could to support the NDC. But I'm not seeing any seriousness be coming from the NDC. And the Chamia war finally krano, yes, our tribal comments never and because I thought to myself, yeah, you better be tribalistic. Yeah, your tribal tendencies were you. Now, why must I come and support you, a Voltarian, compulsory by force? Na miminja akanofo no wo.